let's talk utensils. Should they go in eating surface down or eating surface up? This is a debate I hear about a lot. It's actually the big dishwasher disagreement in my house. But according to the experts, direction doesn't actually matter. Your utensils should get clean whether they're facing up or down. And this was basically confirmed by the vaguely scientific tests I ran. What does matter is keeping utensils from snuggling tight together. In other words, don't let your spoons spoon, because water won't be able to get between them. You can avoid this by mixing up different types of utensils in each bin. Some forks, knives, and spoons in each one. Or by actually putting some utensils face up and others face down. So maybe we're both right, albeit for the wrong reasons.